Good morning, students. Last class, the selfish chain part 1 started. So, finished page number 36. So, here, old Jane constructed a high wall around his garden. Around his garden. So, he should be hanged, that is a board. That is, on the board, he displayed trespassers will be prosecuted. That means a person who go into land without permission. Without permission. So they may that is take a action against this kind of thing. Now children, after that, so here some of school children, they were discussing. So I think we don't have place to play. So where we go, there is somebody on the road, there is some dust, some pebbles. Here they are discussing. These all conversations listened by old giant behind the wall. Behind the wall. Now children, just I repeated a few lines. Tall girl, now we have nowhere to play. Short boy, just like. We can play on the road. What about the reply of the spare girl? But the road is dusty. But the road is dusty. Next, another girl who is a graceful girl. What she replied? And full of hard stones. And full of hard stones. Next, round boy. I don't like it. These are comments. They don't like to play on the road because of all these reasons. They like to play in the garden, which they like most for a long time. They are playing. Next, graceful girl. Next, let's walk around the wall. They are walking when our lessons are over. At least we can talk about the beautiful garden inside. Just we are going, that is walking. At least we are. That is imagination. That's it. Say here. Just we should walk around that is garden, just like that. Tall girl, how happy we were there. Those, that is past tense. Appudu mana enta enjoy ga enta happy ga manam game play chesavano. Those days, not now. Round boy. He is a selfish giant. You know, selfish means here is me, I, me, my, nadi, nenu. Swartham. That is here selfish. The giant opens a door in the wall, shouts the children. That is the big wall, that is small door. That is, he arranged a small door to open it outside. Some children are, that is discussing, some children are, that is they are going like that. Hey, who's there? Went out. That is here. Next, children, 37 page. Look at and take pencil, note down. Some meanings are there, just like here, hard words. Og. That is, an exclamation of horror, an exclamation of disgust, an exclamation of pain, an exclamation of pain. My own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that? Anyone can understand that this is my garden. This is my own garden. Understand? That is. So here children understood, you know, there is the first sentence of the first letter, all capital A, G, H. This is it is an exclamation. How you know this is an exclamation? The word end with an exclamation mark like this. My own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that? And I will allow nobody to play in it but myself. But myself is here is selfish. I won't allow anyone else to play in my garden except me. Only I have to play. That is the reason. The children scattered. That is scattered means here is dispersed. The children here is dispersed like this. Next, old giant. Then the spring came. As you know, already told you, spring means a season between winter and the summer, when plants begin to grow. when plants begin to grow. So here is spring came, that is season. And all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. Actually, in the spring season, the nature has changed everything in its own way. Here, birds, here is they are that is coming from different distant places to sing together. And here it blossoms. So here greenery is there, everything changed. It is very so it's a pleasant morning. Just that is we have experience like this. So everyone should have experience like here. Spring is it is very essential, very important for nature, because in the spring season nature should be changed. Here blossoms means here flowers and little birds. Only in my garden it was still winter. Winter didn't go. Still winter is there. That is not that is come spring season. Spring season is not visited. That is old Jain's garden. Still winter is there. What will happen? Winter is there. The birds didn't come to sing. No bird come to his garden. And the trees forgot to blossoms. Here is bird is there, not blossoms. You know bird, mogga, not became flowers. So it has forgotten. The people who were pleased best were the snow and the frost. Here is snow and the frost. Here is frost means here small ice, crystals, small ice. Here is frost. Snow means atmospheric vapor. Atmospheric water vapor frozen. This is snow. Snow and frost is here is around in old Jain's garden. Because children, we understood that he is selfish. He did not do any favor to children. So that still here winter is inside his garden. So when spring season is there, so no birds, no blossoms, no attractions, no changes in nature, especially in his garden. But everything is changed outward. That is except his garden, almost all that is place, nature that is spring season visited and changed everything, but except his garden. Next, here is snow and frost. Here is who visited here? Snow and frost. What did they say? Spring has forgotten this garden. Who here? Snow and frost visited his garden. Here is Jain's garden. Here is Snow and frost visited Jain's garden. They are discussing one thing about what they are discussing. Spring has forgotten this garden. So now we means both frost and snow. We can live here all the year around. All the year round. So we can hear, but because here spring season did not visit this garden, of course it has forgotten this garden. So we have lived here, we have lived here, we have spent most of the time all this year, throughout this year in this garden. Next, old giant comment. What about the old giant? The snow covered. He observed the feelings. The snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak, and the frost painted all the trees silver. Here is see the meaning. Cloak means a type of coat that has no sleeves. Here is sleeves here. Here is without sleeves. This is here is coat. As you know, do you know coat? Sleeves or no? That is. Here is it is covered. Almost all kinds of trees covered with white, because here is snow and frost. Snow and frost. Everything is covered. Here is a cloak means here is a coat. The snow covered up. Here is gradually. And the frost painted almost all trees, like here is silver. Silver is in which color? White color. Silver is in which color? White color. So here is silver is in white color. So So that here frost and snow is white color. They painted like, as you know, which color we paint? That is, this is the white paint. So similarly here is frost and snow. Painted almost all, every tree here is like that. అన్ని చెట్లన్నీ కూడా ఈ మంచు ఎక్కువగా పడడం వల్ల బాగా పెరిగిపోయి చెట్లు నిండా కూడా ఒక డ్రెస్ లాంటిది వేసింది. వైట్ డ్రెస్ దిస్ ఇస్ హియర్ ఈస్ పెయింటింగ్ లైక్ దట్. ట్రీస్ అన్ని కూడా చక్కగా బ్యూటిఫుల్ కనిపిస్తాం. నేచర్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? గ్రీన్ గా ఉండాలి, అట్రాక్టివ్ ఉండాలి, బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉండాలి. బట్ హియర్ ఈస్ నేచర్ హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ appeared. It looked like almost all kinds of silver, that is white. Everything is here is white, silver. Then they invited the north wind. They invited north wind. Again, here is next. Here is north wind. Here also visitor. Snow and frost and north wind are visitors of old Jane's garden in winter season. In winter season. Here is next. They invited means here. They invited here. Who invited? Snow and frost. ఈ స్నో ఫ్రాస్ట్ మనం ఇక్కడే స్పెండ్ చేద్దాం. ఇదంతా బాగుంది తన గార్డెన్. చక్కగా స్ప్రింగ్ సీజన్ మర్చిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ మనం స్పెండ్ చేద్దాం అనుకొని వీళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? ఎవరు ఇన్వైట్ చేశారండి? నార్త్ విండ్. దే ఇన్వైట్ నార్త్ విండ్ కూడా ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తాను. నువ్వు కూడా రామని. దిస్ ఇస్ నార్త్ విండ్ టు స్టే విత్ దెమ్. మనతో పాటు కూడా నార్త్ విండ్ కూడా ఉంటే బాగుంటుంది అనుకున్నారు. హియర్ హీ విండ్ వెన్ హీ కేమ్, హీ రిఫర్స్ టు నార్త్ విండ్. He was wrapped. Wrapped means covered. Here is like this, covered. Like here is there, covered. గుండ్రంగా చుట్టడం. In heavy furs. Furs means to cover, line coat. పలచగా ఉండటం. అదంతా కూడా white. Here is like this, completely covered like this. ఏదైనా ఒక తొడుగు లాంటిది వైట్ ఫోమ్ లాగా ఈ గాలికి కంప్లీట్ తొడిగేసింది. He roared, make a loud noise all day about the garden and rejoiced. Rejoiced means expressing great happiness in blowing the chimney pots over. Blowing is here is heavy wind, heavy wind. బాగా ప్రేతమైన గాలికి chimney pot is sharp wide pipe placed on a top of a chimney. Here is pipes here they like here the chimney pipes. It is also here is broken. So here is north wind. This is a delightful spot. Delightful means, children, note down, very pleasant. Delightful means here very pleasant. We must ask. So here snow and invited who? North wind. North wind, that is came. Okay. It also disturbed the garden of old giants. It makes a loud noise because of heavy wind. Roar all about the garden and rejoice in blowing chimney pots over, expressing great happiness. Here is rejoice means. Next, north wind said that this is a delightful spot. Delightful means a very pleasant spot. We must ask hail. Here is there hail to come. Here is a hail means pellets of frozen rain which falls in showers. Pellets అంటే మనం వడగళ్ళు అంటాం. Hail అంటే వడగళ్ళు వాన. So who invited here hail? North wind invited hail. So here also hail. All these visitors, snow, frost, north wind, hail. So here is 2 plus 1 plus 1. Here is 4. So the old hail came. Hail to come to visit. Next, old hail. So the old hail came. So hail kuda vachesindi. That is every day for 3 hours he rattled on the roof of the castle. Every day, that is rattle the short loud noises. Loud noises at least here 3 hours every day. Now children, so here is from 36 page to 37 page half first 3, 4, I think 3 paragraphs completed. 3 paragraphs completed. So by next class I will explain and I will finish this lesson. Okay children, thank you.